Hi everyone, today we are on a mission to clean this playground. Let's make a difference together. Oh no, playground is dirty. Let's start to clean it. Put the garbage into dustbin. That's great. Would you leave it like this or help me it clean again? Good job. Fantastic. Awesome. Great. Before cleaning the playground, we are carefully moving the spider to a safe place and removing the spider webs. Great! You are perfectly done. Fantastic! Good job! Well done! Great! It's broken. Repairing. The bench needs repair. Let's try to repair it. Well done! You are doing great. Let's do the painting. Good job. It's broken. Repairing. Great. If you enjoy videos that inspire positive change, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in next video.